Welcome back, guys. Today we have Dell Inspiron 5559 machine. It has a LCD damage issue. Okay. The customer has approved the LCD replacement. So now we replace the LCD panel in this machine. So stay tuned. So now we'll replace the LCD panel in this machine. Remove the battery first. Remove the bezel from the right hand side. Screws are missing in this machine. Disconnect the LCD panel. We have already ordered the new LCD. We have to install the new screws. We have all four screws. We'll fix the bezel again. We'll fix all the blocks. Connect the battery again. Let me start. It's perfectly working fine. This is the glossy HD screen. For surety, we have to remove the screen guard to check there is a scratch on the display or not, and it is working perfectly fine. So now we run the diagnose in this machine and check it out. Is there any issue in the knot?